Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. I am extremely happy and excited because right now I have this honor and pleasure to share with you my happiness. And I'm happy because after so many years of wishing to have this particular kitchen device, I have finally made my wish come true. What kitchen device am I talking about? You're gonna find out right now. Created in the cradle of luxury cuisine by the cutting-edge technology father and sophisticated design mother, multifunctional, quiet, precise, strong, Monsieur Magimix de France is now in front of your eyes. This French multitasker arrives in a beautifully designed box that ensures safe transport of all parts of this device. Immediately upon opening the box, you are greeted with a "Congratulations for your purchase" card, an invitation to contact customer support if necessary, a warranty card, and a recipe book. Through the pictures from this recipe book, as well as from the box itself, you can already feel the excitement of all the culinary possibilities that are now available to you quickly and easily. Under the protective styrofoam, you will find the blade and attachment box. 3 food processing bowls stacked one inside of the other with a lid, base unit, and a citrus press. I did not know that this attachment was also in the package. Since it was at the bottom of the box, it was such a wonderful surprise. With this citrus press, you will enjoy fresh citrus fruit juices. Before we move on to the Magimix review, let's spare a moment on the design of this box itself. The box is ornamented with beautiful pictures of food. Just looking at the box gives you inspiration and ideas for delicious culinary creations. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that since 2012, I've been eating a raw vegan diet exclusively. One of my passions is to, so to speak, translate standard diet recipes into the raw vegan cuisine language. So, can you guess what delicious video recipes are coming up your way? French cuisine, here we come! What you get in the Magimix package is a recipe book, a citrus press, a base unit with as little as 3 buttons, so it is very simple to use, 3 food processing bowls with the lid, a blade and attachment box for multi-purpose food processing. The Magimix base unit is available in white and inox color. This base unit weighs almost 15 pounds or 7 kilos. Inside of it is a commercial-grade inductor motor. On the back of the base unit, you have about 1 meter or 3 feet of power cord with a power plug. The 3 food processing bowls and the lid are made of high-quality plastic without harmful BPA material. When placing the bowls on the base unit, you need to pay attention to the gear that ensures that the bowls fit well on the base unit. When the bowls and the lid are placed on top of the base unit, the height of the entire device is 18 inches or 46 centimeters, and the weight is 24 pounds or 11 kilos. Note that the lid also has a safety gear that needs to fit properly into the corresponding gear for this device to work. The upper part of the lid is the place where food goes in. Inside this part, you also have a measuring cup, which is very convenient for measuring food and adding food slowly while the Magimix is running. Under the lid, you get 3 different size bowls. All three bowls are independent of each other, so you can process 3 different food batches without washing the same bowl between processing. All bowls are dishwasher safe. The bowl holder is located centrally to the base unit, so it is user-friendly to both left-handed and right-handed users. This warning paper reminds you how sharp the Magimix Samba blades are. With the blade and attachment box, you can easily keep all attachments neatly stored. With all these multi-purpose stainless steel blades, you get precisely chopped and processed food easily and quickly. All blades are so-called Sabati blades, which indicates high quality and sharpness. Large S blade for chopping and blending food. You get a small one like this as well. Dough kneading blade. Whisk for making whipped cream and frappes. Four multi-purpose discs. 4mm grating, 2mm grating, 4mm slicing, 2mm slicing. Spatula for easily removing processed food from bowls. You can pack all blades and attachments into the box easily and quickly. Each element has its designated place in the box, which is marked on the bottom of the box itself. This way, you will have all blades and attachments stored neatly and safely. You get a 30-year warranty on the motor itself and a 3-year warranty on the other parts of this device. With this citrus press, you get fresh citrus fruit juice quickly and easily. You get a small cone for lemons and limes and a big cone for oranges and grapefruits. You also get a blender mix ring, which is used in large bowl for smooth blendings, for example when making puddings, soups, ice creams and similar food with smooth consistency. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, the unpacking of this amazing kitchen device that I love so much. So in this video you saw which parts are coming into the whole package of Magimix, and in the next video I'm gonna teach you how to use all these different attachments for this kitchen device. If you want to order your Magimix, you can do so in my online shop amazongloves.com. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. Each time when you order something through my amazongloves.com online shop, you support me to continue to make these videos for you, because every time when you order something, I get a small commission from your order at no extra cost for you. So thank you for all of you who are supporting me and who are helping me to continue to keep the lights on my Health Glows YouTube channel. I appreciate you and I appreciate your presence in my work. I love making videos for you, and if you enjoy them, that makes my heart jump with joy. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video already, when we're gonna explore how to use this kitchen device. And of course, know that in my upcoming videos, we're gonna make so many delicious raw vegan recipes with this amazing kitchen device. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button so that you can enjoy all the upcoming videos on my Health Glows YouTube channel. In those upcoming videos, you're gonna receive free education on a raw vegan diet, fitness and healthy living, as well as free raw vegan recipes. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world, my Health Glows YouTube channel, the place of your true natural health glows you. Okay guys, I'm sending you lots of love, and until the next video, keep glowing. Bye bye. Order your Magimix on amazongloves.com.